Hi, I'm Susanna, and in this video I'm going to share with you how I safely pick up my dog's bowl every day, several times a day. And every single time I do it, I make it a bit of an exercise and I think my way through it so that I know that I'm moving intentionally and safely even though I have low bone density. So here's the deal. There's my bowl. I've borrowed Ellie's bowl for this video. I stand in front of it. I'm usually in the kitchen. I face the bowl and then do a very quick check that my lower back is not arched, nor is my tailbone tucked under. So you want to have a neutral spine, a neutral pelvis position. Takes about a second to test that. All right, once you've put your mind there, now you'll bend the knees, hinge at your hips, which means to take your weight back into your heels, your butt goes back, and you lower down. Extend an arm to reach, keep lowering until you can find that bowl, and then push off and stand up. When you're standing, do a quick butt squeeze to turn it really into a strengthening exercise. Voila! Now, you put your dog food in the dog bowl and you've got to return it. So it's the same thing in reverse, right? So check that you've got a neutral pelvis and lower back to start. Then bend the knees a little bit, hinge at your hips, and you can reach forward as you bend down to lower. And hopefully your spine is still straight. Squeeze your butt at the top and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. And let me know if you have any questions. You can comment below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I have lots of videos on how to do yoga safely if you have low bone density. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Namaste.